Assalamu alaikum and hello to my non-Muslim viewers. Today we're going to be unboxing a Xbox One X. So here we go. So let's look at the packaging. Some nice packaging over there. So it's the Xbox One X. So I already opened the flap. So let's see what we got here. We got typical Xbox stuff and we got typical Xbox stuff right here. Xbox Gears of 5 thing, and then I think there's like a open booklet or something. I don't know. They got a. Oh, it comes with some stuff right there. And it comes with some instruction manuals, I guess, the controller and everything. And then we got got this. I'm guessing this is the power cord and controller and stuff. Yep, it's the cord. Then it's the controller and HDMI cable. So you got that. Then you got the system itself. Oh man, this thing is heavy. And damn, this thing's pretty heavy. It's heavier than the S and the regular Xbox. So take off these bricks and you got the system. So this is the unboxing of the Xbox One X. Thanks a lot.